Hello, I'm Carlos Caballero, Director of Pilsa Educa and Executive Chef of Pilsa Group. Today I want to present a new member that we have here in our kitchen. It is our Marko from New Farm. As you can see, it's a hydroponic garden. In it we have our aromatic herbs in perfect health. It's fundamental to have all the aroma, all the flavor, all the freshness of our herbs. And truthfully, it's great to have a system where the light is exactly what's needed. Below it has a water reservoir that is part of the watering system. Everything is automated, so we don't have to do anything. We only have to enjoy our herbs in all their glory. For that, all we need to do is select our variety that we want. In this case, we'll select sage. We are going to harvest our sage. And look how good it is to have the potency of fresh sage from my stews and recipes. With all the aroma, all the freshness, and all you'll have is a scent all through the kitchen. The truth for me is that it's fundamental to have Marko from New Farm. Because with it, I have the benefit of using perfect herbs in my kitchen and give a gourmet touch to my recipes.